So the best practice for a firm is to have a redundant internet connection, preferably from two different internet service providers. So it's highly unlikely that both the providers will go down at the same time. Now, in a rare instance where there's an outage in the region or a cable cut or something like that, typically the law firm will send their staff home and they are able to access and get their work done. Sometimes some partners are traveling and are in different parts of the country on trials or even traveling, and they are able to access their data no matter where they are located. A workflow in a law firm does not stop when you have an internet outage. You can continue to work on our private cloud environment because of the highly resilient framework that we built for you.
Technology.